So now that we have this down, what I want to show you is the difference between diffusing actual bumps compared to diffusing. So here I have diffuse. Okay, this is the same map as this one, same frequency and everything, but you can see that the variations of gray are a lot lighter compared to the displacement. Okay? And the difference between that is very important because with the diffuse, I showed you the very stark contrast diffuse earlier where it just really just killed light. Well, you don't want to kill all light. You just want to dull light down or slow it down in areas where there's valleys. So here, you can see that different value. Also, I have it shown here. So here's the diffuse property plugged in. Here's the diffuse property not plugged in. And you can see now that that contrast between height and depth really is apparent, where this one is kind of all blown out. Okay? And incidentally, when you're rendering, let's say I render one more frame. And what I'll do is I'll plug this back in. To the diffuse property. Okay, render it back out. If you want to keep images and start learning this stuff, all you do is after it gets done render, you can hit this keep render. And then you can see the variations of what you've changed very quickly. Okay, just like that. Now, if I hit this, it allows me, I have now a couple frames. I have this one, which is this diffuse on, diffuse off, and diffuse on. So get used to doing that, keeping your images as you're building your nodes, because you can really see the slight difference between the two renders and find out what diffuse is all about. Alright, so let's go on to a different property in materials.